Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to the future of cooking. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we cook, making our kitchens smarter and more intuitive. Imagine having a brilliant sous chef by your side, always ready to assist with recipes, cooking tips, and even meal planning. AI is making its way into our kitchens, from smart refrigerators that suggest recipes based on what's inside, to ovens that practically cook for you with precision. These advanced tools are designed to make cooking not just easier, but also more enjoyable and efficient. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. With AI, you can experiment with new recipes, perfect your cooking techniques, and even reduce food waste. AI is here to elevate your cooking experience, making it easier, more efficient, and incredibly fun. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of AI in the kitchen, where technology meets creativity and innovation. Imagine this. You wake up to your smart refrigerator suggesting breakfast recipes based on what's available. That's the power of AI. Smart refrigerators can now analyze their contents, suggest recipes, and even help you create grocery lists. And it doesn't stop there. AI-powered ovens can preheat themselves, adjust cooking times and temperatures, and even recommend recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand. These intelligent appliances are revolutionizing the way we cook, simplifying tasks and ensuring delicious results. One of the most exciting aspects of AI in the kitchen is its ability to personalize your culinary journey. AI algorithms can analyze your dietary preferences, restrictions, and even your favorite cuisines to create customized meal plans. Imagine having an AI-powered app that curates a week's worth of recipes tailored to your specific needs and cravings. No more endless scrolling through recipe websites. AI simplifies meal planning and ensures you enjoy delicious and personalized meals every day. Section 4. Waste Not, Want Not, AI and Sustainability. In this section, we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our approach to sustainability, particularly in the realm of food waste. Food waste is a global concern, but AI offers promising solutions. Every year, millions of tons of food are wasted, contributing to environmental degradation and economic loss. However, AI technology is stepping in to address this issue. By analyzing your